Okay, here we go, guys. Bath and shower tile ideas. Episode 26. This is going to be a two-part series. This will be part one, which will include demo, prep, design, layout, etc. So, thankfully, the floor is already demoed. Gives us an opportunity to set up all of our tools. This is day one again. We've got some tables here, trash bags, charging our DeWalt batteries, hand tools there, of course our DeWalt box with all of our DeWalt cordless tools. All right, here we go, knee pads, 2 roto hammers, of course always protection, gloves, ear protection, eye protection. We've got our AC unit right here, we'll get that started. This helps to suck in and filter some dust. So here is the small bathroom, master bathroom. Everything's gonna go. Vanity's going, mirror, decorative light, everything's going. Here's the builder's grade shower, 4x4 white ceramic. This is going to be a curbless barrier-free shower. So the idea is fairly simple. We're going to install porcelain planks into this bedroom. The planks will flow into the bathroom floor as well as into the shower floor. So it'll be a seamless transition, porcelain planks for the bedroom floor, bathroom floor, and shower floor. So here we go. We're going to demo and remove this shower today. We're going to cut down concrete. We're on a concrete slab. And this is going to be a Schluter shower system. Time to get to work. Loaded shower. We've got about 30 minutes into it. The rest of the walls will be off in another 30 minutes. And then we remove the fiberglass shower pan. Okay. Let's get back to work. All right, so demo is complete. Demo took about an hour and a half. Floated walls and fiberglass pan. All right, next step, really simple. This will take a couple of hours. Use our skill saw with our masonry blade, score some lines. We're gonna double up on the roto hammers, tag team this shower concrete slab for our barrier-free curbless shower. Here. Okay guys, here we are, day 2. Let's show you what we're working with on day 2. Of course, we got our Schluter kit. Not sure if I pointed this out, but we're gonna run porcelain planks throughout this bedroom floor, into the bathroom floor, and into the shower. We're gonna use a tileable Schluter drain kit so that the drain disappears. But here we go. This is always good to come into on day 2 with the client. Morning. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for all your work. I'm super excited about having a new bathroom and bedroom floor. Take care. Got ourselves some treats today. Here's the tile that we're gonna be installing on the floor. Bedroom floor, bathroom floor, and shower floor. Wood look porcelain planks. Gray. Here's our shower kit. Schluter, again, fully waterproof and vapor tight. Prevents mold growth. No wait time between steps. Here is the wall tile. We've got 12 by 24, white, high gloss, rectified. And we're gonna install this gray glass behind the recessed shampoo niche for an accent. So yeah, we're all set up here, ready to go. Got our tile box ready to go right here. Again, DeWalt tools. AC unit running real good. Let's show you the pan. We've got the shower pan ready to rock. Here's our prefabricated Schluter tray. Again, we're gonna flow the 4x48 porcelain planks from the bedroom into the bathroom into the shower. Center drain for a barrier-free curbless shower. And we are going to use a tileable drain so the drain disappears. Gonna be a fun one, guys. Day 2. Quick tip, guys, to cut down ABS. We've got this little Dremel with a cutoff wheel here. Makes it very easy. This thing runs about 30 bucks. Quiet. Here we go. Ready for our Purdy drain kit. Let's show you what we got here, what we're working with. Waterproofing is done. We're gonna set the pan tile, the shower pan tile today. We've got the DeWalt set up and ready to rip some 4-foot planks. Couple of backup blades. We're gonna be doing some mitering here. P5, T3 Razor by RTC. So here are the planks. We're gonna get a layout going on here, but yeah, same setup here. Tiles in the corner. It's warming up today, about 70 degrees. Got the AC unit running. Here are the planks. We're gonna run the planks again into this bathroom and into the shower. So we've got the shower all waterproofed with our Schluter system. This involved hanging green board, framing, installing the prefabricated Schluter niche. Of course, waterproofing the pan, installing the drain kit. Also installed our valve, as you can see. What we're doing right now is, again, getting our layout, and we're gonna install the shower pan tile with 8-inch by 48-inch tile here. We'll show you how that's done. Very simple. Take measurements from the corner of the drain to the corner of the shower pan. You trace them on your tile, make those cuts. That'll give you proper slope and pitch towards the drain using large format tile. So let's get on with it. DeWalt D24000. We've got our miter here. We're gonna hit it with a polishing pad to bring it closer to the edge for a cleaner and tighter mitered joint. All right, here we go. Day 3, a quick peek. We worked about 5 hours today. It is Friday, so we want to get our weekend started, but got our ledger board here. Our 12 by 24 at a straight pattern. Gray glass behind the recessed shampoo niche, and 8-inch by 48-inch porcelain planks. Schluter, tileable drain. Proper pitch, proper slope. Clean looking modern shower pan. Extremely easy to clean and maintain as well, guys. So we'll be back Monday to finish the shower, start working on the bathroom floor and bedroom floor. Welcome back to day 5. Let's show you right now what we got going on for day 5. We moved out all the tools, From that area over here, we're gonna start the bedroom floor right now. All your normal setup. We're gonna have to start organizing and clearing out some of these tools. We've got the Beast RTC 52-inch razor to rip our 4-foot planks today. .48-inch porcelain plank cut with the RTC razor 52-inch tile cutter. Of course, we've got our 1/16-inch Landberg clips for this large porcelain plank install. Let's show you what we got so far. Again, we're at the start of day 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 days. This is what we got done, including demo, plumbing, etc. Here's the shower. Looking fantastic. Miters around the windows, 12 by 24. There's the recessed shampoo niche with our solid surface glass inlay in the back. Again, we've got our large format 8 by 48 planks here. And again, this is what we're doing. We've got a proper pitch. We're installing into the bathroom floor, into the bedroom floor, and today we will have this entire bedroom floor installed with our planks. So that is it, bath and shower tile ideas. Part 1 of 2. Part 2 will consist of grouting the shower, grouting the floor, again, finish installation of all this floor here. We have a vanity, floating vanity to install, new decorative lights, mirrors. We're gonna install a can light up here in the ceiling of the shower, a new vent fan as well right here. So that will be Bath and Shower Tile Ideas, episode 26, part 2, finished product. But part 1, I hope you enjoyed the quick video, guys. Stay tuned for part 2 in about a week.